This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning, or almost afternoon. Well, it's 11 in the morning now. We just left Pattaya, heading towards Nakhon Sawan, and then Bangkok first. So yeah, this is how it usually goes when Axel is sitting in the back there. He is just constantly crying, just like last year. So you're probably gonna listen to this for, I don't know, a couple of hours. Yeah, so until he is exhausted and falls asleep. But it has happened before that when we were in Gothenburg, he was crying non-stop for 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours, I don't remember, until we were home. So yeah, hopefully it gets better once we're back in Norway, right? But it seems like in Thailand he is just in this crying mode all the time now. Not much we can do. Okay, anyway, let's hammer it. I'm gonna stop at this resting area first to get some stuff. Yeah, they call it Kong Fa. It's like a gift shop thingy. We've been driving for 3.5 hours. We are, I'm not sure where they, maybe around, it's called Chainat. Yeah. Consumption is 172 watt-hour per kilometer since we started. And we are getting low on juice. I got some warnings. However, I don't see how many percent we have. It's weird that you design a car in 2025 and you release it in 26 and it doesn't show your battery percentage neither here or in the new energy or whatever it's called. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna stop at the PDT station. I pull over at the Bangkok station, but there's like nothing there. And the kids probably want some food, Wi-Fi also. So yeah, but you know, it's all about ABC because I always book charge at PDT station before I arrive. Oh yeah, we're charging now, getting how many kilowatts? I don't know. How many amps? Is weiß nicht. How many volts? I have no idea. The car doesn't tell you anything. We can see here in the app. Wait, can you see anything there? I can see on the app that we are taking 69 kilowatt. I believe that is the maximum for this car. So it charges slower than the B10. It's more expensive than the B10. It has possibly less trunk space than the B10. Why would you buy the C10? Well, there's one reason. The suspension is firmer, but not like harsh, sportier, still comfy and not so bouncy. So that's actually, for now, that's the only reason I can think of to buy the C10 versus the B10. And okay, the interior seems to be a bit nicer. Okay, there's some LED strip here. The C10 has just illuminated, well, the only ambient light in the B10 is the illuminated air vents. So, yeah. And okay, now I'm gonna check out here. Yeah, at least there should be something. Yeah, we were gonna stop at that resting area, but we skipped it because Axel was sleeping. So just let him sleep. Wait, what the heck? I always do this. You know, it's 31 degrees Celsius outside. It's quite hot. I always swipe and then use guard mode, which is like keep climate on. But then it says that guard mode cannot be activated when the battery is lower than. But dude, we are connected to a high power charger. Why be so strict about this? You know, just figure out that we are fast charging, not even AC charging, and then allow me to use the keep climate on. Or at least lower the limit to 5% or something, right? Lunch for today, this is way too spicy. It's some pork ribs with noodles, and then pork leg for me and the kids. I'm not sure if they're gonna eat it. But yeah, this restaurant just happened to have some playground. Well, that's good. And then there's a little pond here. Not that fancy, but yeah. At least there's some water here, right? This is what I love about PTT stations, is that they have so many different shops here. Yeah, okay, she got ice cream, yeah. 5-star, is that 5-star? It looks like 5-star chicken. I think they have some fried bananas over there. There's even some fruit there. Oh, there's some more fruit here. Okay, but man, it is freaking hot outside. Oh yeah, we're in Sanctuary in here. And now we're at 96%, 15 minutes left. Yeah, we've been here over an hour. 1 hour and 7 minutes. Yes, that's usually how it goes. Once you stop with the family for some food and whatever snack, diaper change, then the stops need to be long always. So it's almost irrelevant how slow the car charges. Oh, Axel, he likes guava. Yeah, well, it's guava dipped in that green thing. So it's a bit sweet. Yeah, ideally he needs to eat the natural guava, but it's good. And then the Bjorn is chilling in the back there. So yeah, we just chill for a little bit. No need to rush it, but maybe in around 5 minutes we can go. We're now at Big C, Nakamsawan. Yeah, Axel is riding here. Okay, I'm gonna find this playground for the kids. They need to play and get some energy discharge, so they don't get too grumpy tomorrow. Oh, there's a big mall. And then here, yeah, Kid Suna. Yeah, supposedly a nice playground. 2, 3, 1. One. Get one kid, get one other kid for free. Yeah, there's some singing and dancing over there. Yeah, but the kids are not interested. They just want to have their own polizei car and fire truck. Thank you. Well, we got some food for the evening here, food court. Yeah, unfortunately stuff is getting closed, so not the biggest selection. Many of the shops, they are sold out. Okay, we got some food at least. Dude, now we just remember, we enter from here and there's another food court here with plenty of food. And this seems to be open still. Man, we keep picking the wrong choices. Okay, but they were, well, I'm not sure where wife is going. Are we? Oh yeah, we're supposed to go this way. So on the way here, we had not so nice experience with that previous hotel. Oh, I thought I saw something moving. But tall. So I want to make it better on the way back at least. So we stay now at Tam Sabay, Nakhon. And you know, before we had kids, we tried to stay at some suites. It didn't really make any sense until you have family, because the parking spot here is dedicated for the suites. The regular rooms are actually, the reception is over there, which is kind of weird. And then the dude there, he said, just park here. Yeah, this is parking for suite. Okay, just park in the middle. Okay, seems like nobody else booked it. So then, quite convenient, because you just take out all the luggage right inside here in the first floor, and there's a room. See, nice spacious room. And what about this room versus the Pattaya room is that it is actually nice and bright. They put enough light here, so it's bright. Okay, maybe the hardware is not the most updated. Yum. Oh yeah, the kids, they're eating sausage. They are probably fed up with the Thai food. Okay, but we have TV here. Okay, it is dirty on the floor though, so that's a small minus. And then I think I will be sleeping here with Isabel. We have 2 sinks here. This is the master bedroom. Wait, did someone jump into it already? I think they did. Wait, we need to. Okay, they already put the. Okay, AC on. Wait, no window? Okay, that's kind of weird. All right, and then the bathroom here. Okay, with the shower there. So I mean, this is actually a lot better than the previous. So also nice and spacious. I like it. Yeah, and then it was okay. What the heck, man? What the heck happened here? They said that the mini bar is included, but did they mean this? Or just some cookies for a couple of baht? Okay. All right, whatever. This is good enough. Yeah, let's eat. You see, there is some. Okay, they get blood again. Oh, he loves blood. Yeah, and then some tam corn and some yeah. Okay, so lots of food here. Let's enjoy the family time.